Kwanzaa, however you want to say it, man. Happy Jesus Day. It's your boy Kelly B, and I'm out on Khrome. Yes, sir, man. I'm happy, man. I'm excited. I am so excited. It's gonna be a good Christmas, y'all. Every year is a good Christmas. I can't even complain, man. God is good. Always blessing us. Always, always, always. Man, I gotta give a big shout out to my company, Beeline, man. Man, that company there, boy. I like that company. Man, I'm gonna tell you, when you ask for a company, man, you got to ask specific what you want, man. What you want from the job, what you want, what kind of insurance, what kind of money. You gotta ask those questions, man. You gotta tell God about it so he can, you know, get it right. Too slow for me, man. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. There's no license plate on here, so they can't get a license plate. Oh, Lord, forgive me. Forgive me, Lord. Forgive me. I have sinned. I have sinned this morning. But yeah, man, I was talking about your job, man. You got to ask what you want, man. You definitely got to ask. And so God can get your request and grant your request and see what he can find you. But man, I'm super thankful for my job. Yeah, man, me and my wife both got great jobs. Hey man, we blessed. No complaints from me. You know, it's people out here struggling, people losing jobs. Yeah, man, and I hate it that stuff is going on, that people losing jobs. And man, I've been around and y'all, I've been around a lot here lately. You know, on my company, we always in traffic, so we see a lot of stuff. And man, I'm gonna tell you, all of y'all are blessed. Man, I done seen 2 fatalities here, just one last week. A couple of weeks ago, man, roads just shut down. Man, we are blessed to make it day to day. You know what I'm saying? Day to day, we are definitely blessed. And I'm grateful, man. But man, I'm just so sorry about the people that have lost loved ones to an accident like that. To where, I mean, you sit there for hours, they shut the road down, man. It's just, you know, we blessed out here on these bikes. If we on bikes, we blessed to make it to our destination, to the house, to the wife, to the family. Getting out cars and trucks and get back on the road and go to work, or get in the trucks and hit these highways. Man, I've been seeing accidents upstate with all these cars and 18-wheelers. Man, it's ridiculous. You just gotta be careful out here. Be careful out here. You know, don't never think you just such and such big truck driver. You know, big truck driver, you know, you can go do anything, you can ride on anything. I mean, I've been driving trucks for this many years. Man, I ain't scared to drive on no snow and no ice, man. It ain't about just you driving on ice and snow. It's about the people around you in case something go on. They might slide under your truck, behind your truck. I seen something on the YouTube channel where this car, no, I'm sorry. That was in real life. I saw this at the light the other day. A car just ran up under the 18-wheeler trailer some kind of way. Yeah, dude, y'all be careful out here on these bikes and cars, whatever you in, be careful. Man, we got to make it back home to our loved ones. I don't want to get a phone call that something happened to my wife or my daughter. My children, me. I don't want them to get that phone call about me. So when I ride my motorcycle, I'm always checking the mirrors. If you see me doing my hair like this, I'm looking beside me. Always. You know, I just heard about my dude Flight Kid, man. Y'all pray for him. Somebody hit and ran on him. He was on his bike, totaled his bike out. yeah, I feel sorry for that. You know, that's the bike that he started his YouTube channel. So make sure you go check out Flight Kid over there. I put a link to his video. And yeah, he just lost his bike, man. He got a little bruised up, but you know what? He was blessed to make it home. Somebody hit and ran on him. Oh, man. Boy, I was so mad. I was like, wow. Wow, it's crazy. I was like, the people had either had a warrant, they was on drugs, had some alcohol in their system to just get up and run and don't think about nobody else. Or they didn't have no insurance. It could have been a lot of things, but he made it home. Great. I'm thankful and grateful for that. So yeah, it's crazy out here. It's crazy. Just be mindful. And I just did a crazy thing a while ago on my bike, but I didn't see no cars coming, and they were just driving too slow 3 minutes ago. I was like, nah, I can't ride like this. But I'm vigilant out here, so I'm always looking. Like I say, the Smith system, my truck driver knows what I'm talking about when I talk about that. And I've been talking in my videos, the last couple of my videos, I talk about the Smith system. Google that, Smith system for truck drivers. It will help you in your day-to-day riding. But I'm out today, y'all, on Khrome, get some reps in, like on lifting weights. But yeah, I'm getting used to the bike. I'm gonna do some passes for y'all, and I'm just out, y'all. I'm just enjoying. I'm off all week long, and the weather gonna be in the 70s. It's gonna be 75 today, and Christmas is gonna be 72 or 73. So you know your boy, after I get through opening up gifts and eating, and man, I'm jumping on the bike. Do you hear me? I'm jumping on one of these bikes, and I'm gonna hit a few corners. Some people already asked me, am I riding today? I might hit this event later on. It's a toy drive. It started at noon, so I might hit that. I'm not sure. But I did have some people hit me up and ask me was I coming. They sent me an invite to come over there. So it's way up in Dallas, way on the other side of Dallas. A little cool. But it's supposed to warm up to 75. You see that beautiful sunshine? It's already out right there. Y'all see that? Already out. That beautiful sunshine right there. Nothing like that sunshine. Somebody said ain't nothing like that rain either. But I'm gonna go say Merry Christmas to my people over here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Nah, I'm good, man.
It's my birthday.
Your birthday?
Yeah.
Your birthday already came.
I know, but they get it for my birthday.
Look at this, man. Man, what's up with this sweater, man?
It's Christmas.
Yeah, I see. But and then probably parked. It be like this.
Wait until you see Dallas's. No, this is the beer. The beer. Hold on.
Oh,
Look at Dallas.
Yeah, man. Some of these new bikes up over here, y'all. Some of these new bikes. So yeah.
Hey.
What's going on?
How you doing?
How's it going? I'm good. How you doing?
I think it's good.
Yeah. No complaints. Trying not to spend no money. That's about the only thing.
Then you wouldn't have to like worry about fluids or pretty much. The only problem is
What's going on, man?
things gotta.
Which one of y'all ready, man?
Oh,
To pull up on me so we can get it.
ready whenever. Let's go.
You see what I done to the bike?
No, I forgot. Or I watched your video. Yeah, you switched it up. What did you do?
Yeah, come on out here and check it out. Come on out here. Y'all ain't doing nothing. Come on out here and check it out. I'm trying to figure out what to do. Trying to figure out what to do with the license plate, man. All the carbon changed up. What you think, Jack?
I like it. That's fucking sharp.
Hey, I decided to go with the black chrome, do something different.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Whose fender is that?
HOGWORKZ. Yeah. That's the front fender too, HOGWORKZ. They got a couple of different ones too as well. And this here is Super Gear Performance, and this Super Gear Performance. So it all just worked out, man.
Yeah, it did really well.
Yeah. Yeah, you know I had to come over here and let you check it out.
Oh yeah.
I know you like me, you into performance. You show it to somebody else, they be like, man, why you take the lowers off? Why you do? I don't care about them lowers, man. Right. It just feel a lot limber, better to handle.
Oh yeah.
But I ain't gonna lie, dude, ever since I rode your bike, I've been thinking about dropping down to that 19-inch tire.
Going back down?
Yeah, but I've been looking at some carbon fiber wheels, and I'm trying to decide if it's worth the money, dog.
Oh yeah, they're not cheap.
Nah, I priced it yesterday, $2,700 for the front and $31 for the rear. Yeah. And I was like, man, do I want to pay $7,000, $6,000-$7,000 for some wheels, man? Yeah. So, and I looked at some more tires I'm finna put on here too as well.
Yeah, that same money would get you a turbo and you'd go.
Exactly. It sure will. But yeah, I wanted to see what you thought about the carbon fiber pieces, man.
That looks real sharp.
Yeah, a lot of people didn't think it was gonna work out with the denim. But man, I did carbon fiber on my Goe wing.
Oh, I think it looks better with the denim than on black even. Because your denim almost looks gray.
Yeah, exactly. See, I started to go with the matte carbon. You know, they got that I started to go with them, but I thought this one would make it pop a little bit more.
Yeah, the gloss
so,
is definitely the best. I like it.
So yeah, man. So, but it's a nice ride, man. It's a nice ride. I could tell the weight ain't there like it used to be. Especially, man, my front fender that I had on it, that thing was so heavy, dude. Yeah. It was really heavy. And then when I took the lowers off, oh man.
Yeah, you don't realize all those items add up in weight.
Yeah, exactly.
So you're like, okay, this is 35 pounds of stuff.
Exactly. So yeah, man.
Awesome, man.
Yeah, my boy Keith upgraded to the limited. That boy fire too, dog. I like it. He got the ruffles for all his skates. Yeah. Throw a big motor on that boy and then dare somebody pull up on side. Y'all, all these cats got new bikes, man. Who is this one here?
Dallas.
That's Dallas and Cody. Yeah, Cody was due for one because he had an accident. And my dude Keith bike right here, y'all. All of them got new bikes for Christmas. Merry Christmas, man. Yeah, buddy. Hey, man, y'all better get on down here to Black Gold. You looking for a bike, I'm telling you. They got them out here, man. They got them out here. And you might get work your deal. It's Christmas time, pretty much the end of the year. Oh, Cody got the system on his too, didn't he?
Yep.
Nice. Oh, and he went with the suspension on here. Cause those don't come on these, do they? Yeah. Oh, so the only thing he got to do is put him some exhaust on there.
He's got everything. He's
okay.
Just waiting on it to get here.
Oh, wait till it get here. What, he going 2 in the 1 or he going to stay like that?
I think he's doing 2 in the 1.
Okay. Congratulations. I'm about to go in there and tell everybody congrats on their new bikes, man. And one thing about me, I ain't hating on nobody got a new bike, man. You can get it, get it. Cause I ain't gonna lie, y'all. What's up, homie?
How you doing, buddy?
I'm good, man. Man, I seen all the employees got a Merry Christmas and all these new bikes they done bought out here.
Oh, dude, because the employee deal they're doing is nuts.
Hey, that's what's up, man.
How you doing, man?
I'm good, man. Hey, y'all, this my dude Bryce right here at Black Gold Harley Davidson. And man, he got a nice bike here that he gonna tell you about. And he's trying to get this boy sold. We got the 131 on it. Go ahead and tell him what you got on it, Bryce.
So 2021 model, it's got a stage 4 131, Star 3030 cam, aftermarket bags, short fender, Olin's front, Olin's rear, Rockford all the way around, Bajas, signals, LP6, Power Vision tuned, SP Concepts 2-in-1, ProFlow headers.
Yeah.
FXR style side panels, all custom painted.
Right.
Match. Yeah, it's got some money in it, buddy.
So yeah. So tell him what you asking for, man.
Asking the 32.9. I got a little bit of room. I'm willing to make a deal happen for somebody. But it needs a new home.
Hey, make sure you come down here and check out Bryce. He also works here. And man, check out this 2021 Street Glide he got here, y'all. Hey man, this bike is sweet. You got the 131. Ain't nothing you have to do to this bike right here. And he got the dyno sheet right here. He got, this is a lot of the stuff that he got on here. You might have to pause the video when you see it. And this will tell you everything that's on the bike, man. And this are the dyno numbers right here.
It's a torque monster. It's 137 horse, but 162.
162. Ooh wee. Man. Hey, make sure y'all get down to Black Gold if you're looking for a great bike, man. I mean, everything on here, you ain't gotta do nothing to this bike but ride it. You know, the bars on here, the seat, the sound system, and what y'all like most, the horsepower is here. So, yeah. Go and fire that boy, but I know it's gonna be loud too. Sweet.
Just did the Brimbos too.
Oh, he's doing
Did the Brimbos front and rear, the floating rotors.
Oh, this thing got everything on y'all.
Yeah, one on the back, gotta go up underneath, but they're gonna relocate.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Come on out, y'all. Check this out right here. Make sure y'all come down here and check out Black Gold Harley Davidson. Hey, Wood Jr., that might be me right there, bro. Put me a 135 on there, T-bar set up, and a new seat, man. That is it. That's all I need on my CVO cars. I want my next bike to be a CVO. That's what I want, a CVO. I don't want to settle, you know what I'm saying? Because like I did on a lot of other stuff, I settled and I went back and redid my bike like I wanted. So yeah, make sure you come out here and check out Black Gold Harley Davidson. They got the bikes for you out here. I mean, they got great inventory out here as well. Everybody be asking me why I'm always at Black Gold. Black Gold is down the street from my house, y'all. So yeah, that's why I'm always over here promoting this company. Hey, how you doing? Got the young lady over here come and check out and get this merch over here, y'all. They got great customer service in Black Gold Harley Davidson, man. You can't beat the service in here, man. I mean, you walk in the door, you get greeted. But yeah, so we're gonna get out of here and get to the house because I gotta do some more Christmas shopping. And y'all come on down here and check out all the stuff they got here. Look at all this, man. They got, if you were looking for some great pajamas for, you know how y'all had them pajama parties and stuff like that? Or the whole family dress up in pajamas? They got it right here. They got the Harley Davidson robe. That's sweet right there. They got this for the men's right here. Look at that. And they got all the clothes and the pillows. They even got the Christmas paper for you, y'all. So make sure you come check out Black Gold Harley Davidson. I'm out here, man. Much love. Peace.